M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my learning videos. Today we're on the Win4 Suite for FDX radios and the Yaesu FT991. So today it's the 101 we're actually on. You can see just beneath there, and the SDR play, and it's the model that I've got is the dual model, the duo model. It actually receives two at the same time, and it's like a dual band receiver, let's call it. It's fantastic, and it's made by SDR Play. So it took me a while just to work out how to even get the scope up on the right hand side here. You can see that the conditions are terrible at the moment, so there's more for me to do, but I'll just show you what I did learn. And that is, you do need to make sure, and these warnings are given you when you're downloading this, and I assumed that this software would be uploaded when I loaded up my SDRuno software, but it wasn't. So what you need to do before you try and get the pan adapter style working is go to this link provided by SDR Play, and thank you very much, and let's move that out of the way, and download the latest. I put the 3.14 for Windows. They call it API, because without the API, when you plug your Uno into the Win4 Suite software, then you go at the top here, you go Tools. Let's move my radio out of the way so you can see everything. Tools, Settings. When you initially connect, you choose your COM port of the 101. So if I just go right click, Device Manager, and you'll see the COM port there. Again, you need the correct drivers, and I've got a link for that as well, which is just here in the background, so I will provide that for you. The silicon one I downloaded was the CP210 cross VCP for Windows, just here. So like I said, I went to Tools, let's click out of this, and I selected SDR Play connected to RX antenna. That's what I selected. I plugged an antenna into it. The SDR Play is powered just in the normal way with the USB just going just to the right hand side. There's a USB, like a printer lead, that's going to my SDR Play, and then the antenna connected. I just used it on tuner number 1, so it's like an A and B band. They call it tuner 1, tuner 2, and already connected to my radio, the 101. That's the 38400 that we were told to select that, and then it's COM45 that you've just seen there in my COM there. So once you've done that, everything comes to life here with the radio. You can see I'm tuning now, and the radio, I know you can't see the actual radio, but it is changing frequency, okay? But also, this was the hard bit, so is the scope, and I could even click the scope, and I know they're weird frequencies, but look, it's changing frequencies. And so I want to get this working on my 991. That's the idea behind it. But I'm not doing that today. I just sort of thought I'd play around with it and learn it today with the 101. We've got VFO A and B as well. And if I change on the actual radio, if I press 40, it changes it all as well. Yeah, okay, and we can tune on the actual radio like so, and it's moving the frequency on the scope, and then you've got different settings there. I've been told if you're using this sort of scope for the first time, you need to press the reset button, I'm being told. But you've got zoom in here and zoom out as well. Now, to make the scope work, we had to go up here to Window, and look, IQ Spectrum Scope using SDR Play. I had to select that, and that worked. Let's just select that. I saw that oscilloscope. Does that work now? Not really sure. Maybe. Let's just click OK and see what happens. Oh yeah, there it is. Well, that's handy. Okay, great. Shame that there's not much to listen to today, but you can see the audio scope is it's bouncing up and down. What's the other one? Spectrum. Let's try that one. And I chose line 2 audio USB. Click OK. Very pretty. We've got the spectrum going. So all these things, you know, you sort of think, well, why bother? But well, it's just fun, isn't it? I like it. Just tinkering here now. So give it a go. I'm sort of learning this. It is interesting. Now if I go to the SDRuno software, that's not even connected at the moment. I'm not having to use the SDRuno. So if I do fire that up now, I'm just going to see what happens. SDR, where is it? Not that one. Let's get the right one. So here comes SDRuno. No, it's not finding it now. Yeah, it's not finding it, but it's there. It's a bit of a weird one. Ah. Well, something came to life. I've got this panel on. And the frequencies sound the same. So I think we've done something right. Yes, I think SDRuno's bringing in the audio from the radio by the looks of it. But as you can see, more to learn. But I have managed to get the scope working, which I'm quite pleased about. With Win4Suite, there's a 30-day free trial. As I learn, I'll make more videos. And just having fun, give it a go. It covers, you know, all the FDX type radios and the 991. Gives you a big scope with the 991 as long as you use an external piece of hardware. SDR Sharp, is it? SDR Play. You may already have one of them. It's just a bit of fun. If you've got a 991 as well, why not? Thanks for watching my YouTube channel 73.